wabarakatuh. My name is Gaz Maragawildan, and today I'm gonna presentation about assessing literary response in language testing. So, literary response refers to students' ability to interpret, analyze, and evaluate literary text. In language testing, assessing literary response help gauge students' critical thinking and understanding of the text meaning. Uh, there is importance of assessing literary response, but I can only mention four. Increase deep engagement with text, develops analytical and improve skills, always language proficiency in text, and promotes critical thinking and creativity. Next, methods of this is also I only mention four. Number one is analysis. The students write essays or critiques based on prompts. Number two, oral discussion, engaging students in discussion to interpret literary text. Creative response, allowing artistic or creative outputs like poetry or dramatization. Number four, objective tests, using multiple choice question for comprehension and analysis. Alright, there is a criteria for evaluation. Number one is comprehension, understanding the main ideas and themes. Next, analysis, ability to interpret literary devices and techniques. Number three, expressions, clarity and coherence in written or spoken responses. Number four, creativity, originality in interpretation and presentation. There are also challenges and solutions. The challenge, subjectivity in evaluation, limited students' interest to exposure to literature. And the solution, use rubrics for consistent assessment, incorporate diverse and relatable literary texts. So there's a conclusion. The conclusion is assessing literary response is a vital component of language testing. It fosters critical thinking, creativity, and deeper comprehension. Effective assessment methods and clear criteria enhance student engagement and performance. All right, there will. Okay, that's all material for today about assessing literary response in language testing. And now we have an verbal essay and the essence of literary response. So, how would you conduct a verbal essay assessment to evaluate literary response? And the second one, how would you conduct a free interview assessment to evaluate literary response?
Literary response refers to student ability to interpret, analyze, and evaluate literary text. In language testing, assessing literary response helps coach students' critical thinking and understanding of text meaning. Importance of assessing literary response. As encourages deeper engagement with text, develop analytical and interpretative skills, evaluates language proficiency in context, promotes critical thinking and creativity. Methods of assessment. 1. Writing analysis. Students write essay or criticus based on prompts. 2. Oral discussion. Engaging students in discussion to interpret literary text. 3. Creative response. Allowing artistic or creative outputs like poetry or dramatization. 4. Objective tests. Using multiple choice question for comprehension and analysis. Criteria for evaluation. Comprehension. Understanding the main ideas and themes. Analysis. Ability to interpret literary defines and techniques. Expression, clarity, and coherence in written or spoken. Response, creativity, originality in interpretation and prestation. Challenge and solution. Challenge, subjectivity in evaluation. Limited student interest or exposure to literature. Solution, use rubrics for consistent assessment. Incorporate in diverse and relatable literary texts. Conclusion, assessing literary response is a vital component of language testing. It fosters critical thinking, creativity, and deeper comprehension. Effective assessment method and clear criteria enhance student engagement and performance. How would you conduct a verbal essay assessment to evaluate literary response? Okay, to conduct a verbal essay assessment, choose a literary text. Provide students with a short passage, poem, or excerpt from a story. Give clear prompts. Ask questions that require analysis such what is the main theme of this text? How does the author use imagery to convey emotion? Allow preparation time. Give students 2 or 3 minutes to think before they respond verbally. Assess using a rubric. Focus on comprehension, interpretation, use of literary terms, and clarity of expression. Provide feedback. Highlight areas of strength and suggest improvements in analysis or articulation. Number 2. How would you conduct a free interview assessment to evaluate literary response? To conduct a free interview assessment, start with warm-up question. Ask about the student general opinions on literature. Do you enjoy reading story? Why or why not? Discuss a specific text choice, a text the student is familiar with, an open-ended question such as, what do you think is the most important message in the story? Can you explain how the characters' action reflect their personality? Ensure critical thinking. Use follow-up question like, why do you think the author include this particular event? How does the setting influence the mood of the story? Evaluate response. Use a rubric that considers interpretation, reactioning, fluence, and creativity. And with positive reinforcement, summarize their strength and quote their analytical skill.